Print an entire Pandas series DataFrame. I work with series and data frames on the terminal a lot. The default __repr__ for a series returns a reduced sample with some head and tail values, but the rest missing. Is there a built-in way to print the entire series data frame? Ideally, it would support proper alignment, perhaps borders between columns, and maybe even color coding for the different columns.
Sure, if this comes up a lot, make a function like this one. You can even configure it to load every time you start Ipython, this URL. As for coloring, getting too elaborate with colors sounds counterproductive to me, but I agree something like bootstraps.tablestriped would be nice. You could always create an issue to suggest this feature.
You can also use the option _context with one or more options. This will automatically return the options to their previous values. If you are working on Jupyter Notebook, using display (df) instead of print (df) will use Jupyter rich display logic, like so. After importing Pandas, as an alternative to using the context manager, set such options for displaying entire data frames. For full list of useful options, see.
No need to hack settings. There is a simple way.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.